Hi, you guys. It is Friday, October the 23rd. I just wanted to let you know that I know that I should be in class, but it's a very, very exciting day for me. So I will be closing on my new house at 3 p.m. today. So I'm excited about that. So I'm sorry that I wasn't here, but at least I'm going to record this for you guys so that you'll know what to do for your class period. If you are in class, let the sub know that you're doing an attendance form, so she doesn't have to take attendance, okay? But I'll leave her a note about that too. But for the rest of us, here is what you're going to be doing. Okay, so we're going to go here. All right, so we have extended time writing, and so what you're going to be doing is we finished reading Harrison Bergeron. You do have the link, so if you don't recall something in the story, you will be needing it to cite your evidence. You will also be timing yourself 20 minutes. So you can use the timer on your phone. So on your phone, you can just go to your settings and then, time yourself for 20 minutes. You should also have it on your Chromebook somewhere. You should be able to look for it, search for a timer. So you will time yourself for your writing. Now what I want you to do is after those 20 minutes are up is take a screenshot of what you have done in 20 minutes and then make sure that you do finish your assignment and then let me know how long it actually took you to finish it. Okay, so everyone was finally equal thanks to the effort of the handicapper general, which is Diana Moon Glampers, and the question that you're answering, okay, do you agree that everyone was truly equal in the short story? And you're going to use evidence from the text. When you use evidence from the text, make sure that you pull something that connects to the question. So you need to find evidence that shows that either people were treated equally or people were treated unequally. So whichever you decide, whether you agree or disagree with it, okay? So in your short answer response, you should have a clear position, whether you agree or disagree that everyone was equal in Harrison Bergeron. Evidence from the text is fully explained and not just listed, so make sure you embed. So you'll say Vonnegut says online blah 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 blah, and then you can do that way, but make sure you use those quotation marks. Okay, concluding sentence that summarizes and refers back to the question, so make sure you go back. Well organized sentences that use effective transition words. So also peel from the short story and your real life experience to support your response. So your point, your inference for that question, your evidence, your explanation, and then you link it back. So that's what you're going to be doing, is you're going to be timing yourself for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes are up, you will screenshot your picture, what you have completed. Then you'll finish the task. Okay, so that's what you're doing. Now, let me exit out of this and show you guys in the stream here. So there it is. There's the timed writing. Okay. Also, don't forget to do the attendance form. You have it right here. Here's your Harrison Bergeron packet. So after you finish your timed writing, make sure that you submit your Harrison Bergeron packet. So all of these first top 3 things should be completed by the end of the class period. Now the timed writing, I'm only leaving it up till Saturday because it's supposed to be timed. It's not supposed to be, whenever I get done or whenever I have time. So again, these top 3 things in your stream, in your Google Classroom, so that's what you're going to complete for the entire period. Next time that we do meet and I'm back in, then I will have the film for Harrison Bergeron, and then we'll do a compare and contrast writing on that. And then we have to get prepared for a benchmark that we're going to be having in November. So we will start our persuasive writing once we get through all of this. I hope that you have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you guys on Tuesday. Bye, guys.